Welcome to Stikas channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Vmware Workstation Pro for absolutely free with 100% working license key. Okay, so it will be very easy step, so just follow my instruction. First of all, open up your favorite browser and go to the link that I have provided in the description for downloading the Vmware Workstation Pro. Okay, here you can see, here is the site for downloading the Vmware Workstation Pro. Just click on download, and here you can see, click on free product and trial version and click on Workstation Pro. Now just click on here, download Workstation Pro for Windows. Okay, here you can see, I'm not going to download it because I have already downloaded this Workstation Pro, so I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so after downloading Vmware Workstation Pro, okay, you will get get a file on your PC and just install it. Okay, so I'm not going to install it because I have already Vmware Workstation Pro in my PC. Here you can see, here it is. Okay, so when installation part will be finished, you have to put a license key. Okay, here you can see, here is a license key. Okay, I have provided this license key in the description. This license keys will work 100%, so don't worry. Okay, you have to put just any one license key. Okay, after putting the license key, you can open your Vmware Workstation Pro. Okay, here you can see, just we are going to open it. And here you can see Vmware Workstation Pro. It is, I have installed a operating system of Linux in the Vmware Workstation. Okay, so this is, you can see, this is the example. Vmware Workstation Pro will work 100%, so don't worry. So this is a lifetime subscription, it is not a trial version. This is completely free forever. Okay, so guys, if this tutorial is useful for you, you can do me a favor, you can hit the like button, or you can also hit the red subscribe button. So no more today. This is Onik Shavanik, I am signing out. Have a nice day.